Hi, are you an intermediate level photographer? Do you wish that your scenic shots look better, but struggle with composition and find camera settings confusing and think that Photoshop is just too overwhelming? Hey there, my name is Ray. I shoot photos for image libraries and magazines, and as a qualified teacher, I would love to help you fast-track your landscape photography journey. Forget YouTube, forget expensive workshops. To save you a lot of time and money, I only teach the stuff you really need to know. For instance, what gear you need, how to frame your shots, and exactly what camera settings and filters to use on the field. Join me as I visit iconic locations around the South Island of New Zealand. Lake Matheson in morning light, Hooker Lake in the depths of winter, the rugged seascape of Tunnel Beach, a world-famous cave at Whaririki, beautiful cascades like McLean Falls, remote lighthouses at Nugget Point, and at Nelson's iconic Boulder Bank. You can also watch our behind-the-scenes series and experience the highs and lows of our road trips. Download my raw files to your PC or Mac, then follow along with my tutorials from start to finish. I will walk you through my Photoshop workflow step by step. We begin with editing simple daylight images. Then we learn to use popular tools to clean up and sharpen our photos. And finally, we blend together multiple exposures using luminosity masks. Well, are you ready to impress your friends and family with your stunning photos? Enroll now.